looks like from here. It's so amazing, guys. Yeah, that's the beautiful view of Nairobi. So on today's video, I want to show you and take you around on a 2-bedroom house. So I hope you're enjoying this video till to the end. Give it a like. Here are more videos coming from Nairobi, Kenya. Without much further ado, let's check it out how it is. Welcome to the 2-bedroom house. So huge. And this is the living room. You can partition it, and this can be the dining area here. And right here, this is the kitchen, guys. And it is so beautiful. Let me get in the comment section below what you think about this kind of kitchen. And I love the tiles. Wow, the tiles look so attractive, as you can see here. The shelves are really amazing, guys. Yeah. I know you may wonder why are these bananas inside here, because somebody is getting in soon here. That's why you can see it is in a mess, you know? Yeah. Oh, the sink, good water, you know, fresh. And it is so clean, guys. Yeah, look at the tiles. They're somehow white, not really white, but something like that. It looks really amazing. Wow. Yeah, let me get in the comment section below, guys, what do you think about this place. And this is the balcony right here, and also it can act like maybe a laundry, because you can see right here there is some water flowing. So here you can wash your clothes, maybe if they are dirty, something like that. And I love the view, guys. Wow, that is Nairobi, the beautiful Nairobi. Wow. Visit Kenya. Kenya is so beautiful. As you can see by yourself, Kenya is so beautiful, guys. Yeah, so this is the laundry where you can wash your clothes clean from right there. And the wall, they have, you can see they have lighting at the walls. This is another one, and the other one. The switches, though right now I think there are no bulbs. That's why you can see there is no electricity here. Yeah, so this is the toilets. This is where you can wash your face, clean your teeth. Yeah, and this is the mirror actually. You can see yourself. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. This way. Let's check it out. See? Clean water. Yeah, it is so spacious. And this is the shower. Oh.
Take inside here for a 2-bedroom empty space.
Jump towards empty space.
Sorry, this place has no lights, but maybe I'll have to open the natural light. Yes. Okay. So I'm lighting up this space. This is the living space or sitting room. You can tell the kitchen is right here. See? So right now, me and my brother, we're staying here, but it's an empty space. This is my sister's project, Dee Mwango. She needs to furnish this place and make it Airbnb. Still from here, that's the...
Yeah, family. So as you can see, when Mara actually recorded this video, I was back in Ghana, family. And as you can see on the dates that I sent all the money and everything, I was still in Ghana. I came to Kenya on the 7th of July. So, you know, as you can see, guys, Mara is the first one that went to take videos and stuff and make videos of the apartment and everything. So I just want you guys to see everything and understand that when I say Mara is behind all of this situation, you guys should understand and know that he's the one that caused all of this problem. He's the one that come between, and he's the one controlling and running everything, family, as you can see. Yeah, family. So as you can see, that is Marwa at the apartment, family. Back when I was in Ghana, he was at the apartment, and as you can see, guys, I sent this money on the 12th of May, and she came to Kenya and back in April, family. So on the 12th of May, I sent this money, this 106,000 Kenyan shillings, as you can see, family. I sent this money for she to get the apartment and the 12th, and then on the 18th again, I sent another 100,000 Kenyan shillings for she to actually put the money together and get the apartment, family. So as you can see, guys, Mara is behind all of this. Even before the apartment is furnished out and nothing is in the apartment, he's there making video, washing his clothes and doing a lot of stuff. So when you hear he's saying that this is a hoax and this is a lie, he's a liar and he's a thief. And as you can see, everything is there, family. He's at the apartment. It was like 2 years ago. And as you can see, guys, on the 18th, like 6 days before, I sent another 100,000 Kenyan shillings, family. So as you can see, guys, everything is there, all the evidence. So when I and Mara is actually, don't want to advise sister to refund Jam Tours, you can see that he's a thief, and you guys should stop support a thief. That's what they do online, family. You should stop support them, because the evidence is here, and he's still denying it. He's still denying the evidence, the raw evidence, family. So you know what to do. You know what to do.
Tuned every day. Hit that notification button so that you don't miss on any episode. So right now, as I've said, we're heading to town to pick her up. Then we want to go to the house. Even she has never ever seen how my house looks. Right now I have 2 houses, but she doesn't have any idea of how they both look like. So it's such a blessing, and I can't wait to pick her up, guys. Okay, so see you at the bus station. To my new apartment.
Yes. I'm surprised. It's my first time to be here. So I didn't know that Dee had worked up to this level. So it's now when I'm surprised. So guys, even you can make it outside there. It is just with determination and hard work. Everything can be met and accomplished.
Yes.
Dee Mwango is working so hard.
Thank you. Yeah, I always work hard because I'm so scared of what you call poverty. And I always trust when you work hard, God blesses the work of your hands and you get all that you're looking for in this world.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, this one is now where the washing is done. Where now cleaning clothes, washing clothes, there's a washing machine. Hey, congratulations. This you just switch on, and then it cleans everything.
Yeah.
Well, how do you open?
You remember you used to tell me one day I'll be having a washing machine, cooking on a cooker. You remember when we used to cook in our old home?
Yes.
In our rainy kitchen.
This is the first time to see this washing machine. In fact, we didn't have one.
Yes.
Since Dee grew up, this is the first time I'm seeing a
washing machine.
Yeah, it's true. You see, it's good to say the truth. Yes. Hey. Wow.
Yeah, so this is my washing machine where I do the laundry. Actually, it's the best, guys. It's the best washing machine ever. For $1,000 US, 100,000 Kenyan shillings.
It looks a nice one.
Yeah, it's very, very good. So this is the laundry area. This is the washing powder for the machine, you see. And this is the jig. These are the detergents to make your clothes smell really nice.
Yes.
And above all, you can also have the view just from the laundry area, guys.
Yeah, and it looks nice.
Yeah.
So,
Like, oh, why is there silence? I always like, oh, we're good. But you, because you don't know when to shut up. You don't know when to shut up. You don't know when to shut up. Learn to shut up. Learn not to share everything. Learn to be quiet. It's wisdom. This thing you don't even know how to shut up is what makes you like you've burnt bridges with so many people. You've burnt bridges with so many people. You even have audacity to talk about your family, gossiping your family to your friends. Like, man, yeah, traveling is a way of living for some. Not everyone want to hustle that comes with traveling nonstop. 100%. I have friends who don't travel like that. I've met amazing people who are doing way better than us creators, and they don't travel full time. I agree with you. Not everyone who smiles with you. Okay, why am I behind? So behind in the messages. Oh my goodness. Okay. Exactly.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, it's me, Dee Mwango, and African Tigress in Kissy at a hotel called Camel Park. And this is the first time we actually met African Tigress. This is the first time we met her and stuff, family. So just to let you guys know that, I know Dee Mwango personally. I've been around her and know her personally. So when African Tigers come and say these things, you know what I mean? She's telling the truth. Anything that she said, it is the truth. And I can verify all of these things because the same thing she tell other people is the same thing she will tell us. But because we're close to her, we don't really take it as nothing. You just see it as whatever. But, it was really and truly something that is somebody not to be trusted, and it's somebody that will actually push you over and put you under the bus just to get a buck, family. That's the type of person she is, family. And as you can see, I tried to reach out to everybody, all our brothers that was there, to actually have them resolve this issue with the apartment, and nobody get back to me. I talked to David Jr., I talked to Mara even blocked me on the internet, family. Just to show you that they team up to actually take over this apartment, family. And that's what they do, and that's what they did. So when I come here and say these things, I don't want nobody online to comment in. You should comment and tell Dee Mwango to refund my money. That's what you should comment and tell her to do, and stop picking up for her, family. Because if you pick up for somebody like this who do this to somebody, you and them is the same. When you see all the receipt and you still I pick up for her, something is wrong with you. You do the same thing to somebody if you're picking up for Dee Mwango.
I will put it. I will not put even this. See, God, I just hate liars. And one day, maybe very soon, I'm going to come out and say everything. Everything clean. I hate people. I hate liars. I really hate liars. I hate pretenders. I hate manipulative people. Like, I really can't stand that. I'm going to talk about so many. Even this issue that you're talking about, famous, I know so much about it. So much with receipts and everything. Let me be called, see, if you're calling me jealous, if you're calling me wicked, then at least I've been keeping quiet. You're throwing jabs here and there, I keep quiet. I decided to keep quiet because I'm not a very dramatic person like you who thrives in drama, and you're willing to go dirty because you have nothing else to protect, because all you do is YouTube. Some of us have businesses, some of us are running companies, and we don't want some dramas to be just out there on the internet because of the partners and the business people that we are working with, and we just don't want them to know all these things and all these other sides. So we just try to keep it cool. But you go out there every moment, every opportunity you get, you're calling people wicked, you're calling people evil, you're trying to make people look bad, while in reality you are the one who's wicked and evil. If I release everything, if I decide to release everything, at least then, even if I get called wicked, then that's fine. Call me wicked, and at least I'll be like, yeah, it's wicked because I share them. Then, because I've put the receipt out there, then it's okay. Then at that time, I'll qualify to be called wicked, and I will not even feel bad about being called wicked because that will be the reality. Yeah, then the reality according to you. But for me, it's just a way of just coming clean because I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I protected you so much. I protected you a lot, and I actually partially blame myself for thinking like you've been like if someone has the audacity to talk bad about their family, like, who am I? Like, why was I so stupid? It's because I felt kind of a connection and attachment based on how I met this person, because I met them when I was at my lowest. So because of that, I kind of felt like I owed them something. I needed to be there, even when they're doing shit and all that. But someone who has audacity to talk bad about their own very own family, their own parents, and all that, I was stupid because why would I believe you would not talk shit about me if you have audacity to talk about your parents and. But on social media, it's like, oh, hey, oh my. Please, I'm not all about fakeness. Like, I always keep it real. In this page, on this channel, we keep it real.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And as you know, guys, if you don't know, Dee Mwango, best ex-friend, African Tigress. I actually know her personally. She's a good friend, and you know, actually met her the same time I met Dee Mwango. Actually, you know what happened is that, as you know, guys, I'm gonna tell you the entire story. But I met her when I came to Kenya, you know, and because of me, Dee Mwango actually met African Tigress. So I'm gonna explain all of that family. And she did a live last night, and she talked about everything. And you know, she have a lot of receipt and more proof. You know, how I was scammed by Dee Mwango in Kenya family. So in the morning time, normally I do my morning routine, and normally exercise. I normally, you know, run halfway and walk halfway until I get to the spot, the nature spot family. So I'm gonna do my workout, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna share the entire story. You know, with Dee Mwango, me and African Tigress, you know, and about the Jam Tours apartment that was scammed by Dee Mwango family. So I'm just gonna share some information so you can actually understand, you know. And I'm sure you watched the past videos where you see the mother, the two brothers them in the apartment family. So the entire family knows about this, and you know, African Tigress have all the receipts that actually confirm everything that what I'm saying and who the money was going to. That's the most important part, who the money was going to from the apartment. And yeah, family, so let me actually, you know, do my morning routine exercise while I come back to you. I'm gonna make you watch a little bit what I do every morning. This is just something everybody can do. You really don't need a gym for this. Yeah, family. So let me finish up and I'll come talk to you back in nature, family. Let's do that. Let me finish up. But it's easy and simple. No gym. I just flex your muscle, get the lymphatic system intact in the morning. It's a good thing. Yeah, family. So I actually finished with my morning workout. The sweat is good for your family. That's how your body get rid of toxin. Notice when you taste your sweat, you taste how salt it is. That's how you get rid of toxin, family. Exercise is good for you. But sometimes in Kenya, it's hard for you to get it if the sun is not out. So you have to work very hard for it, family. Yeah, family. So I'm out in nature. Look at God. Look at nature. Guys, if you never know, Mount Zion is actually is Mount Kenya, family. So Kenya is a special place. The oldest remains of human was found in Kenya. So guys, do your research. Yeah, family. So I want to come to you guys energized, brain is intact. Because in the morning I get a lot of inspiration. And I normally just keep them to myself. But for, recently I've been sharing my experience, and experience teaches wisdom, family. So what I'm going to share with you, I hope you can get some wisdom from it. And I hope when you come to Africa, you don't make the mistake I make, family. So it's the reason for doing this video, guys. So as I was saying, guys, with the whole Dee Mwango situation, she scammed me. She's now in Jamaica right now, and I want the entire Jamaica to know that she scammed a Jamaican in her own country, family. How shameful, how bad is that? You know what I mean? So I just want to talk about this story, family. Some things I might never heard before because I just kind of keep it to myself. But things is getting out of hand right now, family. And I have to just share this because I try to reach out to everybody, family. And I'm just going to share this video with you to share that everybody in the family know about the apartment, as you see. And they know for sure Dee Mwango could never afford an apartment like that. Dee Mwango lived paycheck to paycheck. When I was in Kenya, she used to ask for money to send to her mom. And she used to ask for money, you know what I mean? And a lot of the small money I give her, I don't even count those money. 5,000, 10,000, this small money. I used to want to buy her food and everything, family. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to share this story from start to finish. Alright, family, so as you guys know, she came to Ghana. I host her, I pay for everything. If you go back to our videos when she came to Ghana, all of those videos, I behind the camera in the hot sun, never before. What is highway called in Ghana? That highway, the video that she did there, I was the one behind the camera, everything, family. So, so it was in Ghana. I said, I want to experience East Africa. Because my plan is to always go to Ethiopia. I haven't get there yet. You know what I mean? And I didn't know the connection with Jamaican, Ethiopia, and the Rastafari movement. My plan was to come to Ethiopia. And I was talking with a friend there to come there. But because I met her, I came to Kenya, family. And I haven't got a chance to visit there yet. But everything is in the making, and that timing is the right timing, family. So, as you know, guys, we're in Ghana. I tell her I want to come to Kenya, and I say I would love to maybe get an apartment because I feel I will stay somewhere in East Africa. So I say I would like an apartment there so I can just furnish it out, and then, when I'm not there, I can maybe rent it out, put it as Airbnb or whatever. That discussion I have with her and stuff. So when she come back to Kenya, she actually, look for the apartment and things. She tell me the price, I send the money. All the bank transaction is there, family. You can go back to my previous videos. So I do all of that now. And then I came to Kenya July the 7th, 2021, family. And, was there, actually sent part of the furnishing money and stuff. And when I come, I finish the furnishing and stuff. And I'm just going to share the story with you guys to let you know that it's I who allow her to meet African tigress, because even this Muslim friend which she did have before and stuff and all of that, when she came to Kenya, she met up with this Muslim girl and she said a lot of bad things about the girl. While I was in Ghana, she messaged me and tell me all of these things. I guess African tigress can maybe talk more on those things because she's a girl, but I don't really pay attention to those things. So I came to Kenya. And she was telling me that, she and nobody is not really friend, and she and that Muslim girl is not talking anymore, and whatever. And she said, there's this one friend that we never met before, but she's a YouTuber, and you know what I mean, we say hi and bye or whatever. She told me that her father passed away and she'd like to visit her and stuff. And I said, okay. I never get a chance to visit to see what Kissy like and all of these things. That's the time family. I don't know nothing about tribe. And family, tribe is very important. I don't know nothing about tribe in Kenya because Ghana, everybody is like one, just like Jamaica. I don't know when you come to East Africa, you have tribe and the personalities are way different. I never know that. So family, I actually, you know, say, let's plan the trip. You know, I mean, as you know, as a man, you're there on a woman, you gotta take care of everything. That's normal for a man to do. Once you're there on a woman, you're a friend or whatever, you just have to take care of everything because that's your job. You know, as a man, you're not gonna make a woman pay for things and stuff. So I sponsor the trip and everything. I go to Tiger's place and we, you know what I mean, we chop it up and I'm there and stuff and I'm experiencing the cool weather of Kissy and stuff and you know what I mean, and I enjoy the ride and you know, see the landscape and everything and stuff. And you guys can go back and watch those videos at Camel Park and everything. I was the one behind all the camera and everything, family. So it was because of me make sure actually maybe meet African Tigress. Because I didn't want to go to the countryside anyways. I go and meet African Tigress. I came back to Nairobi and she told me that African Tigress want to come to Nairobi if she can stay with us and stuff. And I tell her yes. You know what I mean, and actually make preparation because it was 2 rooms and it's only 1 room that was furnished out, and actually go and actually furnish out the other room by a bed and stuff so African Tigers could stay in the other room and stuff. And you know, as you know guys, you know, we actually, she came and she there and stuff, and even when we actually in the house together, she tell me bad things about African Tigers family. And that's to show you that everything, and that's it. That's the time I was in the process of going back to Ghana. And, you know, we are about to set up the Airbnb and stuff. And African Tigers actually get a carpenter to actually, you know, fix up the put some decor and stuff and all kind of stuff. And it's the same time I buy the washing machine and stuff. And it's the same time I actually get another apartment in Ruaka and stuff. So that was a 1-bedroom. I was gonna stay there when I actually come back from Ghana. I was gonna stay there and stuff. So that's the reason why she have 2 apartments. She have 2 apartments, you know. All of those apartments. That apartment in Ruaka is in my name. So obviously, you know, when I decided to move and come out, there was no problem because, you know what I mean. So that was it, family. I rent another apartment in Ruaka. And she and African Tigers was at that apartment in Kenya by themselves. And I actually moved to Ruaka at that time. And, you know, they was there and stuff. And she telling me a lot of bad things about the girl. And 2 of them in this entire house, you know. And she's telling me bad things about her. I don't know if African Tigers can remember that when I'm there, it's the only time she'll cook food and stuff. She tell me that when she's not there, she's not cooking no food because she's not cooking no food for African Tigers because all she want to do is eat and a lot of these small things, family, and all kind of stuff. So even, you know, you're and the person in the same house and you're talking bad things about the person and stuff. So just to tell you all of these things and stuff, family. So, you know, I mean, I don't want to maybe lose track. But as I was saying to you that, you know, that was that. We actually, you know, so after that, she actually leave for Namibia and stuff. And she left for Namibia. And I was here in Kenya, actually lined up to get a full-time tenant in the apartment. They pay me rent and deposit and stuff. And, you know what I mean, when the next month come for them to pay me, they say that, you know, they're not dealing with me anymore, dealing with Dee Mwango because she's the owner of the apartment and all of that stuff. So that's how I get to lose that apartment because I actually rent it out. I never really take note that I should change the lease agreement and the original lease agreement. I never change it when I come back to Kenya because she was in Kenya rent the apartment. So that little clause that I never changed the apartment, she used that now to take over the apartment, family. So, you know, as you can go and watch our videos in 2021, you know, as you can see, guys, the entire family stayed there and stuff. Even when the mother was going to Mombasa, that video that they did, that I show previous in this video, is I am the one who sent money for them to buy food to eat while I was in the apartment, family. I said, Dee Mwango is a wicked, and Dee Mwango, you need to soul search yourself and fix yourself, you know what I mean? Because, you know, things are going to happen to you in this life that it's not going to be pretty if you continue to go around and do people like that, family. And when I said to you guys, even our own family, you know what I mean? Mara, our own family, she talk bad things about family. All of these things she tell me. Why you think the rift between David Jr. and Ayamara? Ayamara borrowed David Jr. money, and when David Jr. asks back for it, he actually, you know what I mean, get vexed with David Jr. That's the reason why you see no talk about David Jr. family. Because that's what Mara do. Even Dee Mwango, he actually, first money Dee Mwango make with Michael Ponte. She and Michael Ponte make so much money together because all of these clickbait video, I'm pregnant for a Mzungu and all kind of these things, and my Italian boyfriend, all of these things, family, you know, she make a lot of money. The first money she make on YouTube is Michael Ponte actually, you know, featuring her videos and created that love story, that fake love story. And, you know, even if it's real, it's a fake love story. And, you know, that's how she made the money. And the brother borrowed her 10,000 US. And she cry and bawl in Ghana, say, oh, she's not giving me anymore because when she give him, he's not giving her back and stuff. So even that apartment where she give her in the villa, you know what I mean? I don't think she will ever stay there because, you know what I mean, she and him has to fall out because he's just been taking advantage of her and taking her money just because maybe he put her on YouTube and buy her camera and stuff. But it shouldn't be like that, family. It shouldn't be like that. Even when Mara stayed in my apartment, while I was in Tanzania, she asked me to make Mara stay in the apartment because he's going to the US. And she not even, you know, she even said that she don't really want him in the apartment because he's very nasty. And when we came back and checked the towel was very black. And she was saying that she don't want to be around her brothers because they're very nasty. And, you know, she and them, they really think alike. They're so different. Mara is a boy who just go and tender, meet a girl around the corner and tender and go have sex with her. And all of these things. He said Mara is a very perverted and he's like that. He's like watch a lot of porn and all of these things she say about him. Like, and she said these lifestyles, she don't like these things. So all of these things, that's what she say about the brother. You know what I mean? And even her mother, she talk bad things about. Even her father, you know what I mean? She talk bad things about family. So, you know, these things is serious. And you guys should be aware of her. And, you know what I mean? When she come around you, just keep your mouth shut. You know what I mean? Because, you know, she will tell you everything. Everything she will tell you, family. And, guys, I just hope that, you know what I mean, she can find it in her heart right now to actually, you know what I mean, just come to the table and give jam towards these things. And, you know what I mean, because I've been fighting for this a very long time. You know, I pause and I stop. Now she in Jamaica and everybody coming out with receipts. So I'll just come out with mine too because this problem needs to be resolved. So Dee Mwango, if you're watching this, you know what I mean, you know, and I hope that you actually come out and say something about it and just talk your truth and resolve this issue and move on with your life. Because, you know what I mean, these things will always be on the internet and it will harm you in the future because nobody will want to do business with you. Even that Aaron Dante, you know, he's just there and he don't see what this girl will do to him. He don't know that, you know what I mean, this is a big scam and he will be scammed. No matter how she come and verify you and stuff and talk all of these things. She already said these things behind your back and it's in her intention and that's what she will forever do. You know what I mean? So if you have hope with her, there is no hope. There is no hope. And I'm just going to say, you know what I mean, to African Tigress, you know what I mean, just come out with the receipt because she already badmouth you. And she just talk nitpick and things. So just come out with all the receipts and just make everybody know the truth. Forget about it and done. You know, everything that you know about her and about the jam tours, and about the scamming and stuff, come out with it. Put it out in the public on your own channel and say, this is it, that is it. And that's it, you're done. You don't want to hear nothing from nobody more. You move on with your life, forget about it. That's how these things go on these social media because if you don't actually put it out there, people are going to always come back and say something. There's always something new. Come up, people are going to always say these things. You know what I mean? So it's better you just, she already trash you out. She already say a lot of things about you and disrespect you and stuff. Just come out with all this receipt to let the entire world know that, you know what I mean, this person is a scammer and should never be trusted. Because, you know what I mean, there's too much people beating her drum and I don't understand. Like, you know what I mean, how people can read between the line and see between the line that this girl is a scammer and that's who she is. Yeah, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Like, share, and comment on this video. And if you're a close friend with Dee Mwango, tell her to stop doing what you're doing and tell her to refund Jam Tours our money, his money, and move on with your life, family. Just tell her that. If you're close to her, DM her and let you know that a Jamaican is crying in Kenya, in our own country, for his money, for his things that she scam. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. One love. God bless. I'm actually standing on a Mogimo tree, family.